I am really privileged to have the pleasant task of welcoming this distinguished event, a gathering for the induction ceremony of new members of the East Manila Eagles Club and Universal La Primera Eagles Club for the calendar year 2023.
Ang tungkulin ng Eagles, bukod dito sa mga natutunan ko between the first page and the last page of our Magna Carta, ay naunawaan ko ang magiging papel nating mga Eagles sa ating kasaysayan at sa mga darating na panahon. At ito ay napapaloob sa mga katagang kailangan talaga magtulungan tayo. Hindi ito kakayanin ng isang pangulo. Gaano man siya makapangyarihan. Hindi ito kakayanin ng 24 na senador, no? 300 na congressman, isang katutak na mayor, gobernador, barangay captain. Hindi ito kakayanin ng 15 Supreme Court justices. Kailangan ho talaga bawat isa sa atin, Eagle man o hindi, ay magtulungan. Magtulungan tayo.
Applicants, you shall now become a bona fide Eagle member or so-called Eagle. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duties, responsibilities, and obligations of being an Eagle. Please remember the essence of Eagleism. It is the state of relationship or building relationship. Members must have primordially developed. Eagles should have pride, not literally pride, but the acronym of pride. You must be first professional in doing things. You must have respect. Remember, in our logo, referring to East Manila Eagles Club, respect is reverencia. Hindi lang po respeto, mutual respect. Iba po ang respeto, iba po ang mutual respect. And I also want to include po sa R is responsibility.
At sa mga bagong Agila at sa ating mga bisita ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po sa isang matagumpay na pangalawang induction dito po sa East Manila Eagles Club. At para po sa ating lahat, cheers!
Being an Eagle is not given. You have to earn it. You have to live it inside your heart. To do what? Service to, with, strong brotherhood. That's our mandate, our mantra. No more, no less. Is that clear? You Kuyas? I cannot hear you po. Is that clear? Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Mabuhay!